I've heard some people saying that CapCut is not working in their device or that they can't install CapCut. So this video is on how to install CapCut properly to your device. Let's go to Play Store and install the app. So you scroll down to Play Store, and here is it. Play Store, the second app is Play Store. You click on it, it opens. Then you move to search. You search for it. Go to the search bar, type CapCut. 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 You search for it. Oh, my data is turned off. Let me turn it on. And you search for it. As you can see, it's loading. It's pending. For those that do not have it on their device, it will show install. Me, I have it on my device already, so I'm updating the app. For you, if you do not have it on your device, it will show install at this place that shows cancel. This place that is showing cancel, yeah, this place. In yours, it will show install. You click on it, then you wait for it to install to your app. I'll pause this video and wait for it to install. Alright, I've successfully installed CapCut to my device. Let's go look for it. CapCut starts with C right here, so let's scroll down to C, and here you see, look at the app here, CapCut. Let me circle it so that you see it properly. Look at it. The circled icon is CapCut. So you click on it, it's open. It's open. Look at the interface. Once you install it to your device and open it, this is what you are going to see, the interface of the app. So down here is my project, all my work I've done on CapCut. For you, it will show nothing, to be blank. So if you want to add, edit or create any video, you click on new project. But before we click on that, look at all your features on CapCut. We have auto cut, retouch, auto enhance, auto feature, and the rest. So if you want to edit, you click on new project. Here is it, new project. New project, yeah. You click on it. Once you click on it, you wait for it to open. Once you click on the new project, it will take you directly to your gallery. From there, you select the video that you want to edit. So I'll be choosing this video to edit. What video? Let me pick this one. Once you click on the video you want to edit, it will show add. There is it, add. This button down here, you click on it, then you wait. Yes, this is where you can do all your editing. And look at the features here. The features are down the app. We have the edit, we have the audio, we have the text, overlay, effect, caption, aspect ratio, filter, adjust, sticker, background. Just explore all the effects here, all the features on this app. Take your time, don't rush. Let's click on edit. You can add, you can split, you can increase the speed of the video, animation, you can add animation and the rest. Just take your time, explore and know all these effects and their uses and their function. Okay, thank you guys for watching. It's bye for now.